Easy steps to add animated text on website sliders. Animated text can make your sliders far more engaging and visually appealing. It's a fantastic way to grab attention and guide users through your content. Start by choosing a slider tool that supports timeline-based animations. Once inside the editor, create a new text layer or select an existing one. Most editors allow you to pick from predefined animations or create your own custom effect. To animate the entrance of your text, select an effect like fade in, zoom in, slide from the left, or typewriter. Set the delay and duration in the timeline to control how and when the text appears. You can also apply exit animations to make the text gracefully leave the screen before the next slide appears. This creates a seamless transition between messages. Be sure to preview the timing. You don't want the animation to be too fast or too slow. It should feel smooth and natural. Align your animations with other slide elements, like images or buttons for a polished feel. If your slider platform offers keyframe-based animation, use that to fine-tune movement, opacity, scale, and rotation in more detail. And remember, less is more. Too much animation can be distracting. Keep it elegant and focused on enhancing the message. We've shared a link in the description with access to professionally designed templates that come with beautiful, pre-built animations. Perfect if you want to get started quickly.